When it comes to fitness, so much of it is about getting results. I'm here to show you why the Commercial 1750 is one of the very best treadmills on the market. iFit is personal coaching, virtual classes, destination workouts, and programs expertly crafted to give you new experiences every day while helping you achieve results that you'll feel and see. From world-class trainers like Tommy Rivers-Pusey,
this is some of the most amazing scenery in the entire world.
Hannah Eden,
let's not waste any time.
John Peel,
all the way to the top, come on.
And so many more. And of course, including me, Johnny Gale. I have workouts from the red rocks of southern Utah to the stunning vistas of Iceland. And I can't wait for you to check them out. Personal training in your home, where your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, decline, and duration of each and every trainer's prescribed workout. Here's a taste of some of the incredible workouts you'll experience.
Good morning, I'm your personal trainer, and I got a great workout for you today. Let's go.
Come on, dig in, you got this.
We're overlooking Machu Picchu.
I'm taking up your incline. Sprint to the finish, let's go. You're almost there.
Let's hit some key features. The 10-inch Smart HD touchscreen brings every workout to life. One of my favorite features is the Flex Select cushioning deck. With 3% decline all the way to 15% incline, you're gonna feel the ups and downs as I run you through the mountains of Hawaii. We pioneered the Space Saver design because we know space in your home is valuable. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give a long, powerful stride. Interactive, personal training in your home, on your time. It's incredible, and you're gonna love it.
Make the important decision to take charge of your fitness goals and get the treadmill that will help you reach them. The ProForm Pro 2000. At its core is a powerful yet durable 3.5 continuous horsepower motor with the strength to accelerate your run up to 12 miles per hour with quick speed controls. Climb to new heights and burn more calories just by walking. Take your incline from -3% all the way up to 15% using quick incline controls. The built-in tablet holder is your gateway to hours of entertainment while you work out. Watch your favorite shows, browse the web, or connect with friends. And use your tablet to tap into iFit, which lets you travel to new and exciting destinations all over the world. Pick from a pre-planned route or map your own with Google Maps. Run the streets of Rome or the mountains of the Swiss Alps. The choice is yours. And iFit tracks all of your fitness stats and goals, provides professional training, and allows you to connect and share with friends. Say goodbye to the wear and tear of road running. Our innovative ProShocks cushion deck provides a softer landing for a more comfortable workout. And with the largest 22 by 60 inch deck offered by ProForm, you'll have plenty of room to move naturally as you would outside. Stay cool and comfortable and enjoy the steady breeze of the Cool Air workout fan. The 7-inch backlit display monitors all of your vital stats like time, distance, speed, and even approximate calories burned. Need your favorite songs to keep you moving? Plug your music device into the MP3 and iPod compatible sound system and get crystal clear audio delivered through a set of oversized 3-inch speakers. If you're looking for a new and unique challenge each day of the month, look no further than the 32 preset workouts available, each designed by a certified personal trainer. Monitor your target heart rate zone for a more effective workout with the fast and reliable EKG in-handle grips. Or get a continuous wireless heart rate readout using the included iFit Bluetooth Smart Chest strap. It syncs automatically to iFit, so you can view your heart rate readout history and track your progress. Get the added security of a lifetime frame and motor warranty with a 5-year parts and 2-year labor warranty. When you're done with your workout, simply fold and store your treadmill to free up space in your home with the Space Saver design with Easy Lift Assist. If you're deciding to get fit, the choice is easy. And when it comes to finding a machine that delivers performance and technology, the choice is even easier. The Pro 2000 from ProForm.
Think treadmills haven't changed over the years? Think again. The Bowflex Treadmill 22 is the top-of-the-line cardio experience that connects you with world-class incline control, streaming entertainment, and our secret sauce, the Journey experience, offering an epic array of personalized features from an immersive 22-inch console. The Journey digital fitness platform is designed to keep you challenged for a long time, years, decades, and it's all from the comfort of your living room. A Journey membership keeps your runner's high going, allowing you to explore something new and personalized every day of the week, right from the HD touchscreen. Sprint through adaptive running workouts that get harder as you get fitter. Hightail it with trainer-led videos that don't scream at you. Crush new and evolving goals with a clever virtual coach that inspires your every move. Dash through scenic destinations around the planet and track your progress with metrics, rewards, and personal bests. If you can't decide between workouts and entertainment, don't. Now you can do both. A Journey membership allows you to binge shows and more on the HD touchscreen while putting in the day's work. The Journey experience layers personalized adaptive workouts alongside your existing Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus accounts. You supply the subscription, we provide the magic. Head for the hills with the best incline capabilities. 5% decline, all the way up to 20% incline. Extended handlebar grips are specifically designed for high incline workouts, so you can take the high road or the low. Walk, jog, or mad dash at speeds up to 12 miles per hour. A 22 by 60 inch running pad features Comfort Tech deck cushioning. In-reach handrail controls allow you to change speed and incline without breaking your stride. The media rack holds your phone or tablet, while the built-in USB port keeps your devices fully juiced. A 22-inch console immerses you in all the amazing things the Treadmill 22 has to offer. After your workout, the 22 folds up nicely to maximize space for the other things in your life. When you're ready for your next workout, soft drop folding technology provides a gentle descent every time. With connectivity, variety, and personalized workouts at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to reach success. The Bowflex Treadmill 22. It's a runner's high you won't want to miss.
The Air Runner was created for really everyday people, as well as challenge the best and fittest athletes in the world. We hired an engineering firm that's been in the fitness business for over 20 years to help us develop the machine from the ground up. It's without a doubt the most natural feeling product on the market today.
I've seen the most beginner level runners hop on that product and it puts them immediately into proper running form. Once they learn that muscle memory, that feel, that's what they can carry outside. Coaches strive for that day in and day out. This product, without any involvement, they find that sensation and can replicate it.
I'm in the gym anywhere from 4 to 6 hours a day. The Air Runner allows me to kind of control where I'm at in my workouts. I can vary the speeds. I can look exactly where I'm at with my wattage. All those things are super important for feedback for me as an athlete. I need to know these things. The Air Runner gives me more control over my workouts. A regular treadmill has a motor. It's pushing your legs. With an Air Runner, you are the machine. You're the motor. Assault products in general allow you to push yourself to a point where mentally you're uncomfortable, but if you push through it, you're capable of anything.
Let's take a look at the Soul F80, the fourth in our treadmill family. With a space-saving design, it's been called the best buy in all aspects. We've coupled our ultra-durable double horseshoe welded steel deck with our Cushion Flex Whisper Deck suspension system that reduces impact up to 40%, so you can put its powerful motor to the test. And when you're done, our Easy Assist folding design makes it simple to fold up and roll out of the way. With the push of a button, get an expert-programmed run to burn fat or boost cardio. Handle-mounted buttons help you stay in control, and the large screen keeps you focused on your goals, with a console designed to keep you energized, refreshed, and hydrated. You can even connect your smartphone or tablet to track your workouts over time. And because it's built by Soul, you can trust it for years of fitness. Get the full list of features, specifications, and more at our website. Then see for yourself why the combination of features and price make the F80 our best all-around treadmill.